Everything you know is a glitch. Welcome back. I'm the Kid Professor. Today, we're decoding the most dangerous secret in history. Okay, so I've been going through these ancient Sanskrit texts, and I think Western science just reinvented the wheel. Like, they discovered the multiverse in 1957, but India was writing technical manuals about it in 3000 BC. Today, we're decoding the original multiverse blueprint. This is gonna get weird. Here's what they teach you in school. Big Bang, one universe, done. But in 1957, physicist Hugh Everett published the Many Worlds Interpretation, basically saying reality splits every time a quantum event happens. Then, in the 1980s, Andrei Linde came out with chaotic inflation theory. He says our Big Bang was just one bubble in an infinite foam of universes constantly being born. That's modern physics. Revolutionary stuff, right? Now watch this. I pulled up the Bhagavata Purana. It's a Sanskrit text that's at least 5,000 years old. And it doesn't use the word universe anywhere. It uses the word Brahmāṇḍas, which translates to cosmic eggs. And get this, it describes material reality as phenyl palganda, literally foam on the Causal Ocean. Foam on an ocean. Sound familiar? Let me read you the actual line. Innumerable universes are clustered together like foam in the sea, each bubble containing a Brahma who is the architect of that particular world. That's not mythology. That's bubble nucleation theory. In physics, bubble nucleation is when quantum fluctuations create pockets of space-time, each with its own set of physical laws. Our universe is one bubble. Theirs are others. The ancient text even describes the mathematical hierarchy. It says some Brahmas oversee universes with 4 heads, some with 10, some with 1,000, and each additional head represents an exponentially larger scale of reality. That's not symbolism, that's powers of 10. That's describing fractal cosmology before we had the math to prove it. But here's where the ancient record gets absolutely unhinged. There's a section called the Brahma-Vimohana. It means the bewilderment of Brahma. Our universe's Brahma thinks he's the creator, the only architect in existence. So he goes to the Supreme Source and announces himself. Tell him the creator has arrived. The guard asks, which one? The doors open. In walk countless other Brahmas, some from universes so vast that our entire cosmos, all 93 billion light-years of observable space, looks like a paramanu, an atom, compared to theirs. The text describes Brahmas with lifespans measured in kalpas. One kalpa is 4.32 billion years. Some of these beings had lived through thousands of kalpas, meaning they'd witnessed trillions of years of cosmic evolution. This isn't metaphor. This is the ancient world documenting a hierarchy of scale across the multiverse. They were mapping metatime. And before you say, cool story, modern cosmology is finding the evidence. In 2015, scientists analyzing the cosmic microwave background found the cold spot, a region a billion light-years across that's colder than it should be. One hypothesis? It's a collision scar from another universe. In 2020, researchers published findings suggesting our universe might have bruises from interactions with other bubble universes. The math is catching up to the manuscripts. So, why does this matter? Because when you realize you're living in one bubble among infinite bubbles, scarcity becomes a choice, not a fact. The Vedic scholars called this understanding Vibhūti-Yoga, the yoga of abundance. They said the supreme source is Ananta, literally without end. Modern science is teaching us the same thing through different language. Infinite universes, infinite possibilities, infinite time. The ancients weren't primitive. They were proto-scientists with a different operating system. I'm the Kid Professor, signing off. Stay curious, stay blissful. I'll see you in the next reality.